The Seeker by The Who.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Look at this. It's like dry spin or something, but it hurts. That's my ding dong.
Shoot. I think I got it too. No, that's good.
Oh!
Nice. That kind of killed it. Just for the record, I'm a ton better at Guitar Hero 3 than Steve, but I just have a broken hand, so I can't play. Good one!
Wow, I hit it. That's kind of pointless. Oh. This sounds hard.
So are you doing so bad on it?
Shut up. I'm not even doing bad. By the way, this is on hyperspeed too.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Are you gay?
No, and no, it's not in hyperspeed 2.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
You want to bet?
It's not going fast.
You want to bet?
Yeah.
How much are we going to bet?
$5.
That's on hyperspeed too?
Yep.
Alright.
No, that's not on hyperspeed 2.
That is.
No, it's not.
You honestly want to bet me?
Yeah, dude.
Alright. Come on, bet. Alright, that's $5 right there.
Yeah, for me.
We got 3-star. I don't care if there's another note.
That's steep. I got your eye. It zoomed in too much.
Give me it.
You can zoom it in a lot more now.
Why?
Cause
How do you manage that?
before you start recording,
You
like,
broke this thing.
No, I didn't. What?
You broke it.
No, I didn't.
Wait, how's it so zoomed in now?
Before you start recording, I put it on zoomed in 4.0, and then